I'm going to show you how to make studying more fun. If you're watching this and you don't really enjoy studying, if it feels like a boring chore, you just have to get through, then this video is for you. I believe this might be the most helpful video you'll watch today. I also was a student who graduated from high school, and I think I can share some tips on how to make studying more enjoyable. If you can make studying just a little bit more fun, even in small ways, you'll be able to study more consistently and become a top student. The first thing you need to do is change your mindset. Instead of seeing studying as a task you have to do, start thinking of it as something you get to do. You get to study because you get to learn, get into a top university, land a great job, and eventually maybe even retire your parents. The key here is switching from "I have to do this" to "I get to do this." This small shift makes studying feel less like a burden and more like an opportunity. Once you've changed your mindset, the next step is to make studying fun. I know that sounds obvious, but hear me out. Make studying something you look forward to. For example, you can reward yourself with something you enjoy after studying, like a piece of candy, watching Netflix, or anything that motivates you. The point is, you want to give yourself a reward right after studying. This creates a positive association with studying in your brain, and over time, your brain will start to expect the reward and will want to study more, even without a reward in sight. Next, it's important to enjoy the process itself. While step 2 was about making studying fun, this is about truly engaging with the material. A lot of students study the wrong way by just reading textbooks or notes. That's passive studying, and it's boring. What you want to do is active recall. This means using practice exams, flashcards, and other interactive methods. Active recall is more challenging, but that's a good thing. Challenging doesn't mean boring. Think of your favorite video games. They are challenging, but they're fun because they keep you engaged and focused. Studying can be the same way. A good tip here: when doing practice papers, set a timer. This simulates real exam conditions and makes the task more exciting because you have a time limit. It'll help you work faster and keep you focused on the task. The final thing you need to do is a dopamine detox. If you find studying boring, it might be because your brain is overstimulated by instant gratification. Let me share a personal story. When I was about 15, I got addicted to porn. It became so distracting that I couldn't even focus in class. I learned that doing things that give instant pleasure, like mindlessly scrolling through social media, playing video games, or watching inappropriate content, messes up your brain's ability to enjoy harder tasks like studying. So to fix this, you need to cut out those quick-hit dopamine activities. Whether it's social media, video games, or something else, take a break from them. When you do this, your brain will start to enjoy more challenging activities like studying, running, or going to the gym. Self-improvement in all areas of life naturally improves your ability to focus and study well. I know this video was supposed to be about making studying fun, but the truth is that self-improvement is key. When you improve your body and mind, studying becomes easier and more enjoyable. That's what my community, Successful Students, is all about. It's not just about getting the best grades, but about improving yourself so that good grades come naturally. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to take that first step, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos on how to take your life to the next level, and I'll see you in the next video.